In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable disabled apps on Android. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So what we want to do is go over to our settings application, and then once you're here, you're going to be like, it's going to look something like this. Go ahead and scroll down until you find apps as one of the options. Then it's going to show you all your currently installed apps on your phone. Go to whichever app you think is disabled or you know is disabled. So in my instance, it's going to be Google Play Store. As you can see, it says disabled right there. Go ahead and click on it. And now all we want to do to enable it is on the bottom left, just click enable right there. And now it's literally enabled. However, it's not instantly going to show back up on your home screen. You have to go to your app selector area and Play Store is now there again. So what I want to do is, drag and drop it onto my home screen. I'm just going to drag and drop it to the place that it was originally for me. And that's it. You'll be good to go. You can do this with any application that was disabled to enable them again and bring them back and use them. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.